guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kemba in case you were curious. Thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing my headband wig that I got for Christmas from my mom. So obviously I don't have it in the original box because she wrapped it for me, but this is the bag. This is the bag that it came in, super cute. The wig is from Alipearl, and it says 100% unprocessed human hair on it. This is like a perfect carrying case because sometimes you gotta pack your wigs, girl. So I'm gonna start with the things that like come with the wig first. Oh, and I will link down below the specific link that she used to purchase this for me. Here is, what the heck? Do I not know how to work a headband? Okay, so here's one of the headbands. Cheetah print. I don't really do too much cheetah print, but you know, it's 2021 now. I could try new things. Okay. Then I have like a thick headband. Brown one. You know, these making me kind of nervous. Oh, okay, it can fit around my head. Had to see the stretch on these things, you feel me? Okay, so I guess if that's cheetah, this is like leopard. Or maybe it's, no, cheetah. This leopard. Y'all know the patterns of the animals? Let me know below if you know which is which. Anywho, this is getting ridiculous because I did not sign up for the cheetah. You know what, I'm gonna put them all three together. And we just gonna see the freaking difference, because what is this? Why is this so, what is wrong with this book? Yo, why do I need this much? Who am I gonna be growling at in these? Like 3 of them? Okay, so these are like softer. All right, like a red, this is paisley pattern. And then the last one is this navy blue paisley pattern. Now I think there's something else in the bag, so let me see what's in here. Oh my, another one. Yeah. They said you don't need a headband when you have us. Another one, like it's like flowers or something. So all together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y'all, they gave me 8 headbands. Now I don't know if this was a free gift or what, but when my mom clicked it, it said 5. It said 5 headbands. I don't know. But that's what's in the bag. Okay, so now we can get into the hair. So I got the curly headband wig in 18 inches. It came in, well, it comes in this big plastic bag. And, you know, they keep the net around it. Whenever you get hair, this one is a net. And then they have these things, I guess, to keep the shape of the wig. So here's the original texture. Wow, that is super cute. I have not co-washed it yet. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, shiny. Wow. The color is like, I guess what they would call like the natural hair color, because it's not like black, it's not brown. It kind of has a little bit of, it looks like some red flakes in it. See, it's like a, I don't know, it's like multiple colors. But yeah, it is 18 inches. And to, it had, what? To like, I guess secure it, they have this Velcro in the, this Velcro in the back, so I guess you can like tighten it as much as you need it or loosen it. It has like a pretty thick layer here. So there's that. Then on the inside, they have Okay, interesting. They have like, I guess like, you know, like clip-ins. It has like a clip-in clip. It's not just a comb, so I don't know. It's kind of interesting. I've never used a clip-on or a clip-on clip, so we just got to see what it do when I put it on. But yeah, so this is, oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear it. So like I said, this was literally just like a quick unboxing video, just showing you what comes with it, what doesn't. As you saw, there was no wig cap, so if you do order from this brand, I would not expect a wig cap. You might want to have your own. I need to go buy some. It is shiny, girl. It is shiny, and it is super soft. Now it does have that weird factory hair smell. That's like the only con I'm coming up with right now, but yeah, I cannot wait to put this on. I'll probably wear it the next time I do my hair, because I braid it, so while the braids are drying, I'll probably put this wig on just to show and just to see what it's working with. But yeah, once again, this is from Alipearl, or I think it's Alipearl. I will leave, oh my gosh, so soft. I will leave the exact link I used in the description box. Oh, and if you want to know about my hair right now, you can check out the video that I posted right before this one to see what I used. See how easy that is? Just click that up above. Yeah, but I'm so excited. I hope the pattern stays relatively similar. But yeah, so that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. And a special thank you to everybody who has subscribed to me so far. I just hit 100, and I know it's not a lot, but like, it's a milestone for me. Like, I'm super proud, I'm super happy. So thank you so much to my subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway. Not sure when yet. I'm thinking maybe when I hit like 125 or 150 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned for that. It won't be giving away this wig because this thing is bomb, but we're gonna work on that later on. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.